students, welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation, and here we are going to discuss about the second situation of RH incompatibility case, and that is during the mixing of maternal blood and fetal blood. In our previous lecture we had discussed the first situation, that is during blood transfusion which type of ABO incompatibility is taking place. Now the second situation, and the situation second is, this is the situation second, and this is the situation during mixing of maternal blood with fetal blood. Clear? So this is the second situation. We know that the antibody A and B are present in the blood group O. Clear? Both of these antibodies are antibody A and B. Both of these are IgM type of antibodies, and these antibodies cannot cross the placenta. These cannot cross the placenta. But the mother with blood group O is having IgG type of antibodies. Clear? What is mother with blood group O is having AB antibody, and these are the IgG type of antibody, is having IgG type of antibody. Ig means immunoglobulin, and this is the antibody which can cross the placenta. So IgG antibody can cross placenta. Now what will happen during this condition? Suppose the mother is having blood group O. Here is the mother, and this mother is having blood group O. It means there is no antigen present on the surface of RBC of O blood group. So these are the RBCs, and there is no antigen. So antigen is not there, but both of the type of antibody, that is anti-A and anti-B, both are present in the plasma of blood. If the mother is having blood group O, then there is no antigen present on the surface of RBC, but both of the antibodies are present in the plasma of blood. Now, what about fetus? Suppose this is the body of, here is the body of mother. This is the body of mother, and here this is the developing fetus. Suppose this is the developing fetus. Clear? So this is mother's body, mother body, and this is the fetus. And we know that fetus is joined with mother body with the help of placenta. So this is the placenta. Now suppose this is placenta, and here is a placental barrier. And this is the placental barrier. The part present this side of the barrier, this is the maternal part of placenta. So this is maternal placenta, and the part which is present here, this part is the fetal placenta. Okay? So this is fetal placenta, and this is the placental barrier. So here is placental barrier. Now what will happen? the developing fetus is having A blood group. Now, fetus is having blood group A. It means its RBCs are having A antigen on its surface. So, antigen A is present, and here the antibody B is present in the blood of A. Clear? So, in the body of fetus, A antigen is present because the blood group is A and antibody B is present. This is the body of mother. It is not having any antigen, but both of the antibodies can be present. And we know that the antibodies of this mother is IgG type of antibody, and these antibodies can even cross the placenta. So these are the IgG antibodies, and they can even cross the placenta. And these antibodies cross the placental barrier and reaches to the fetus. So here antibody A and antibody B both are reaches through the placenta. Now what will happen? Again the reaction between antigen and antibody. So what will happen? Antigen antibody reaction is going to take place in the fetal body. So here is what is the reaction, that is antigen antibody reaction. Antigen A is present in the body of fetus, and antibody A is present in the body of mother. So here A antigen is going to react with antibody A. So this A antigen is going to react with this antibody A. Clear? So the reaction is antigen antibody reaction, and what is the result of this reaction? Destruction of RBCs. Now we have discussed in the previous lecture, destruction of RBC is going to take place. Due to destruction of RBC, which condition is arises? That is anemia, or it may be jaundice. So anemia or jaundice may be arises due to this antigen antibody reaction. But we know that when the antibody is going to enter inside the body of the another organism, then what will happen? The reaction of antigen antibody is milder reaction, which can be cured within the week or 10 days. Clear? So this is not dangerous reaction. It is the milder reaction, and it can be cured in a short time of period. But when an antigen is going to reach in the body of the other different blood group organism, then the reaction may be severe. If the situation is opposite, mother is having blood group A and fetus is having blood group O, then the situation may be serious. Clear? Because the antigen is going to enter. Here the milder reaction is taking place, and this reaction can be cured easily. At the time of parturition, maternal blood and fetal blood can be mixed. Clear? अभी तो ये barrier से separated है, but at the time of parturition, the maternal blood and fetal blood can be mixed, and the reaction of antigen antibody is taking place. These reactions destroy the RBCs, which causes anemia and jaundice, but the reactions are milder, that's why they can be cured. Clear? So this is the second situation in which how the ABO incompatibility is going to take place during the mixing of maternal blood and fetal blood. In our next lecture, we will discuss about RH antigen and the case of RH incompatibility. Thank you very much.